Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this is based on my personal experience using this service. Today we're looking at Tower Loan, available at www.towerloan.com. Tower Loan offers installment loans, which are a bit different than payday loans. Installment loans generally involve borrowing a larger sum of money and repaying it over a set period, usually with fixed monthly payments. This can be a helpful option if you need a more significant amount of funds for a specific purpose. It's crucial to carefully consider the terms and conditions, including interest rates and fees, before committing to any loan. Tower Loan operates in a select number of states, so it's important to verify its availability in your area. Their website provides information on eligible states and the application process. They emphasize a quick and easy online application process, aiming to provide fast access to funds. When exploring loan options, it's always wise to compare offers from different lenders. This allows you to find the best possible rates and repayment terms that suit your financial situation. Be sure to factor in all costs, including any origination fees or prepayment penalties. Responsible borrowing involves understanding the full implications of a loan agreement and ensuring you can comfortably afford the repayments. Tower Loan, like other financial institutions, utilizes a credit check as part of their approval process. The specifics of their credit requirements can likely be found on their website or by contacting their customer service. Remember, taking out a loan is a significant financial decision. Take the time to thoroughly research the lender, understand the loan terms, and evaluate your own financial capacity before proceeding. Consider exploring alternative options and seeking financial advice if needed. Managing your finances effectively is key to a healthy financial future. This overview aims to give you a starting point for understanding what Tower Loan offers. However, it's essential to conduct your own research and due diligence before making any decisions. Visit their website at www.towerloan.com for the most accurate and up-to-date information.